When I'm improvising, all it means is I'm making up my own song on the spot. Aye. Now, I play the song cool, and then I'm gonna change it a little bit. All right, so we can do it like this. See, I'm changing the song, that's all I'm doing. Now, when you make up your own song, you can't make a mistake. Anything goes, anything is fine. You can't make mistakes. Sometimes people play things like it don't matter. It's your song. You can't make a mistake. So I'm going to make up a little bit. We're going to play the background music. We'll have the band play. And then I'm going to play a little, and then you're going to play a little. Then I'm going to play a little, then you're going to play a little bit. You make up anything you want. Anything is fine, all right? And this is, we're going to have the band play the background for Cool in The Big Bad Wolf. And we're going to make up our own song on the spot. All right, here we go. My turn. Your turn. Aye, that's it. Aye. Now, we're going to play the background music and you make your own song. Okay, and we're going to tell you what, we'll play the song once, the regular way, and then you change it. And make your own solo, anything you want is fine. And after you do your solo, we'll play the regular song again. Anything is good, anything. All right, here we go. We'll play it once the regular way, then you make your own song, and then we'll play it one more time. Aye. All right, anything, make it up. was great. Okay, play the song. Now, go back, play the song, and when the song's playing, if I'm playing or not, you make your own song. Anything is good. What you did is great. Right? Anything is good. It doesn't matter. You can't make mistakes. It's your solo. Whatever you want to do. And remember, this is Captain Stevie signing off for Captain Stevie's Whiz Band.